Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a sneak peek into the tallest and thinnest design. Although the Galaxy S24 Ultra proved to be the highest-end variant of Samsung's flagship series for featuring an array of enhancements and features alongside a buffed-up hardware and camera capabilities never seen before, the only area where it's said to have fallen short was the sharp corners that sting when handheld, which prompted users' ire and served as an obstacle even during normal use. Severing the uncomfortable grip was the size of the phone, as it was enormous. Given the woes brought by the Galaxy S24 Ultra, now enthusiasts are looking forward to the more easy-to-hold design on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Fortunately, insights brought to light by a prolific tipster suggest that the South Korean giant was now cautious not to fray nerves anymore, as the rumor says that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be a handset with more rounded corners than those of Galaxy S24 Ultra. While earlier leaks provided a sneak peek into the tweaked design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the latest one accompanies photos and videos of a dummy Galaxy S25 Ultra with its case, letting seekers have a closer look at how the Galaxy S25 Ultra would feel like in hands. The dummy unit of the purported Galaxy S25 Ultra, as shared by XLeaks 7, is so far the largest feature on the Galaxy S series, measuring 162.82 by 77.65 by 8.25mm, coming in slightly taller, narrower, and thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 162.3 by 79 by 8.6mm dimensions.